In this video, we'll learn to use a suitable instrument to measure mass and length. Mass, in a very simplified way, means weight. So we're measuring the weight of different items. In the previous videos, we'll look at how I measured the weight of pasta, a bag of pasta, using a kitchen scale. So a kitchen scale is a suitable instrument to measure the weight of different items, let's say can of baked beans, or maybe the flour, sugar, whatever ingredients you're gonna be using. However, this goes up to a certain amount, and each scale has its maximum. So this says 5,000 grams, which is 5 kilograms. So what we do with maybe larger amounts, then with the larger amounts you're probably looking at bigger scales. We've got bathroom scales, there are probably luggage scales as well. So there are different ones that you can use. Or when it comes to much smaller items, such as measuring gold, for instance, or measuring medicine, there are other scales, like precision scales like these. So those would be the right ones to use when it comes to measuring weight. When it comes to length, again, if you're measuring the length of a short line, then you'd use a ruler, but this goes only up to 30 centimeters, and in that case then you'd use a measuring tape, a steel measuring tape, or one of these ones. There are for larger distances, then we'd have to use a real measure tape. So these are the kind of instruments that you'd be using when it comes to measuring weight and length.